Guys, I'm gonna go into why we need to learn everything we're gonna learn today, okay? The importance of the fundamental of understanding things. Understanding allows us to work knowing that we will not make mistakes in what we need to improve. Understanding is the rawest forms of preparation and allow us to know where to put our focus on and work appropriately. It means that once you understand, when you know what you have to do, it's a type of preparation because you have to prepare yourself. I'm going to explain later on to start working. You need to know what is in front of you, what kind of tools you're going to use, what kind of technique is going to be used, what type of hair I'm working on it, what kind of shape I'm creating. Understanding will provide you control. When you look at some hair today, sometimes you're like, what the heck, that haircut, long hair or layered or creating, you're like, ugh. You feel that, I felt that way for 15 years of my life. A guy with a bowl cut, those kids with a bowl cut, I say, how am I gonna cut the hair? And I just like push into some, los niños con esa colita, honguito, hongo.
We hate that haircut. Like, oh my God.
You know why you hate, right?
Because I don't know how to do it.
So what do we need to understand? Guys, take pictures, write it down. This is really important. Everything before the techniques, before we apply, before we cut hair today, is connected. Everything that I'm gonna teach you guys is connected. It's a related. It's a one thing, bonded, but I'm breaking in steps, but in order. In order? In sequences. So this is a sequencing that you have to learn everything. So what we need to learn first, ourselves. You're not comfortable to do hongos. You're not comfortable to do those mushroom haircuts, right? So ourselves, you already know that. So client's profile, you need to understand who is sitting in your chair. Who's this person? Is it an elder person? Is it a younger person? What type of style he is? He's an urban or like the countryside? You need to understand about hair. All this we're gonna learn today, don't worry about it. You need to have intention, what you were saying earlier. You need to have intention for their client, for that type of hair. What I'm going to do here? Okay, I'm going to use these techniques to achieve this shape, to achieve this look. Time. When you work and you understand the processes, it helps with time. It helps you extract the best of your time, maximize your time. Preparation. Preparation is when you know what you do in everything. What type of shears I'm going to work, what type of clipper is better to work with this type of hair, what kind of shape I'm creating. We're gonna, you need to understand about line theory. That's what we're gonna learn later on. Growth patterns, body position, hand position, areas of the head, and nuclear shapes. That's everything we need to know.